Let's play a quick round of Name That Note. Here's your challenge. I'm going to place one of these balls on one of the 5 lines or 4 spaces of the treble clef. And your job is to tell me the letter name and find it on the keyboard. Are you ready? Let's do it. First note, it's on the first line. What is the letter name? Good. It's E, but where is it on the keyboard? It's right here. And where is it on the sheet music or notation? Right there. Excellent job. Let's go to the next question. Name this note. Okay. It's on the 3rd space. It's a space note. Good. That would be C. Is it middle C? No, it's C5. Right here. Let's look at our notation and you will see it's right here, C5. Okay, let's do one more. Are you ready? Let's take this note and we're going to put it on the 5th line. Whoops, the 5th line. Name that note. Good, it's F. Right here, F5. And let's look at it on the staff. There you go. All right. Now, if you've enjoyed this, be sure to follow along for more brain-boosting music games.